What's up YouTube, welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's the 8-inch subwoofer. Well, that's the enclosure I have built long back for a 10-inch sub, but for a 10-inch sub the enclosure is quite small, and the front panel, you can see it's much thicker, like 1 inch. So the result was not that great. Then after that I mounted this ply on this thing and made this enclosure for 8-inch sub. And after that the 18 sub was working very well, as you can hear the noise. So today, as this is old, so today I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a push type connectors at the back and put some polyfill inside of it, and also mount a air pipe right there at this hole. So let's do that. Alright, so I have mounted the subwoofer, and inside work all are done, and I have sealed it off with a glue stick. So all around is sealed, totally sealed, and now just need to mount the air pipe and we are done. Then I can test. Alright, so everything is done. Now let's do the testing.